Hey guys, this is George, and today we're going to be working on our PrestaShop dashboard in order to add products and product categories to our shopping categories on our website. So this is our dashboard right here. So we're going to be working under our sell area and in the catalog section in order to add our products and our categories for our customers to easily access it. So first thing we're do is we're going to do categories. So go ahead and select on categories. And you can see currently on our website we have clothes, accessories, and art. So we're going to be working in this section right here and just adding new category. So we're going to be adding a new category for our customers to have more options. So the category we're going to be adding is outdoors, because there's a lot of different products that you can use for outdoors, like hammocks, chairs, hats, and all that kind of stuff. For our description, you don't have to add anything. If you want to add a cover photo, you can, but you don't need to if you don't want for this section. And then just make sure to save it when you're done. And then if you go down to your categories, you'll see that you have more. So on top of all the three others, you have outdoors now. Alright, so that's how you do the category. So now if you want to add a product to that category, just make sure to go over here on your left and click products, so the catalog section. And then right here you can see all the different items that we have as products. This number is 19, so they have like mugs, notebooks, little frames, some cushions, mugs, a lot of different things and different sections like home, stationery, art stuff. So we're going to be adding a new product. So just go ahead and add right here. So let's say like new product. So the first thing you're going to do is put, let's say hammocks. Say awesome cool hammocks. And that's going to be the specific product that we're going to be doing. And then we're going to be adding a photo. And you just select the file. I had previously found a picture on Google, just googled hammocks, and I just saved it onto my computer, so it's right here on desktop. So I'm just gonna add this picture. It's right there, and then open it up, and then bam, now we have a hammock photo for our hammock product. You can go through these different sections right here, like go to quantity. Let's say we have 100. That's it. For shipping, right here, it's essentially how much charge additional shipping costs based on packet dimensions. So let's just say 75 kilos, and let's make it 45 for the width and 75 for the height, and 50 for the depth. And default delivery time, so essentially this right here. So you can leave stuff right here. If not, you can leave it disable. And then for shipping fares, let's say $15 per shipping. And then for available carriers, just you can go ahead and select my carrier. So this is for the in-store pickup, or today we're just going to do delivery. And then pricing. For pricing, let's sell it for 75. From there, go back to this basic settings. You'll see that it changed right here, and that's essentially it for this. And if you want, you can go ahead and preview it. Alrighty, so once you have all that filled out, you have the picture, you have the quantity, the pricing. Right here for categories, just make sure to exit out of the home because it's no longer a home category. And then we're gonna select outdoors. Just select that on home, so your product can be under the category that you want. So for summary, you can put awesome hammock, and then for description you can put the detailed information. So it can be long lasting, durable, awesome 8-foot hammock with hooks included. and then you just go ahead and preview, and all your information is all right here. So for instance, if you want to go ahead and change the pricing right here, you can just go back to this page right here with the basic settings, and then change that to 100, and you're going to go ahead and preview, and they'll change it up right there again. So if you want to go back here, so if you want to add that product, so if you want to go to catalog and then go to your products, and then you'll see that it's actually right here. And if you want to put its status, right now it's not officially on the website, so now you got to select that so you can show that it's live. And then right here you can see its category, you can see that it's $100, and you can see the quantity right here, how many are left. So I'm gonna go in and add a couple more products under that outdoor section to show you guys, but since I already showed you the procedure, I'll continue it once I have them on there. So I went ahead and added 2 more products. So now we have the hammocks, backpacks, and the outdoor hats. And essentially right here under the catalog section, under products, you'll be able to see them, and right here it counts them, 19, 22, 22 different products, the name, and right here the category it belongs to, the price, and the quantity that we have. And right here will show you the status, if it's ready to go or not. And if you ever want to go ahead and edit anything, you just select one of these, and they'll bring you back to this page right here where you'll be able to edit the quantity, price, description, summaries, what category it belongs to, and that's essentially it, how you add the products and how you add the categories on PrestaShop. You can see right